TIRFE. Hrui TIRFE, to be exact, is a wonderful jazz musician. Check him out. I will tag him. And the name TIRFE is very dear to me, and it reminds me that every name in our culture has a meaning and history. If you know anybody named TIRFE, you should know that their name is probably linked to some very sad episodes in their family. TIRFE was a name given back in the day when child mortality was very high. So when they named their child TIRFE or TIRFU, it was because others in their family before their birth passed, usually due to illness, other siblings before them, or other older family members. And TIRFE comes from the word terifa or terifu or TIRFE, which means what was left or what's left for me. There is so much behind our names. Homework for today: go ask your parents about the origin of their first name and of their parents. You might find so much about your family history that you might not have known. Learn Tigrinya on semaikids.com.
Culture is cool.